What's up, guys? Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom, Pennsylvania. We are here with this beautiful 2015 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This client came to us with a laundry list of things he wanted to get done. We were able to help with everything. It came out amazing. Just wanted to take a quick video to go over the full install, see if it's something you guys could possibly need in the future. So first request, client wanted better sound. This had the upgraded Burmester system from the factory, had decent volume, good amount of bass. The vehicle from the factory had two 8-inch subwoofers in the doors. They sounded absolutely horrible. They just rattled the doors. The whole door shook. There was no factory sound deadening. It was absolutely horrible. So what we were able to do, we were able to do a three-way setup. So we installed Hertz Milli Pro speakers in the doors. So we did a 6.5 mounted in the 8-inch location. We built a really nice template for that. And then we were able to do another mid in the door, a 3.5. And then we were able to install tweeters in the dash. We did a 4.5 in the back, a 4.5-inch coaxial for fill. And then we were able to build this really cool custom box that has a Milli Pro 10-inch sub. It's a down firing box. It's wrapped in suede to match the rest of the suede on the pillars and the headliner. There's a switch to turn the Turbo S logo off if you'd like. So really cool setup. As far as the amplifier goes, this vehicle has factory fiber optics. So what that is, it's a way to send audio signal through light. Not every car has it. It's pretty rare. It's usually on higher end vehicles. There's a company called Mobridge that we deal with that makes an integration module. So that actually goes underneath the seat where the factory amplifier is. The factory fiber optic plugs into the Mobridge piece, and then the amplifier that we use is a 12-channel Audison amp. It's a Forza series amp. It actually has optical in, and it also has a built-in DSP. So what we were able to do from the radio to the Mobridge piece, and then from there we went optical in. It's the cleanest signal you can get. There's no noise. It's just the best of the best as far as how to hook up the amplifier. So we did that. The amp has DSP tuning, so we were able to hook a mic up. It'll actually go through, it'll fine tune everything as far as timeline, and it gives us a really good baseline. And then from there, we can go in and fine tune whatever we think needs adjustments. I was able to remove the factory cigarette lighter, build this nice panel here. We wrapped it in suede to match the box. This is actually the bass knob. It can be your master volume. You get a preset, so if you want to have one that's real bass heavy, if you want to have one for talk radio, there's a lot of things you can do. So you can see how nice and slick that is. And actually what's really cool is this cover, and normally you have to push down on it and then it would spring open. Well, to be able to get this to fit correctly, I had to remove that mechanism. So now if you just press right here, it opens up. And what I did, I have 3 magnets underneath and I have 3 magnets here. So you can just close it and this thing stays shut. And again, you just hit it when you're ready to open it. You can turn the bass up and down, and if you want to close it, you just shut it like so. So pretty slick. So underneath the seat here, that's where the original amplifier is. It's covered in carpet normally, which is horrible. Anytime you're putting an amplifier in, you want to have that thing have as much air as possible. So what I was able to do is remove the carpet. I built a trim ring on our CNC, cut it out, and it just finishes off the edge of the carpet. I'll post pictures with this video so you can see how that looks. It's under the seat. You're not really ever going to see it, but it's just the best way to do it, the correct way. So that's what we did. Lastly, the radio. This is a nice touchscreen. It's got navigation, it's got Bluetooth, CD, but it doesn't have CarPlay. So what we were able to do, we were able to install a CarPlay module. And if you hold this back button for 5 seconds, it'll switch the screen over. You can either have CarPlay or Android Auto, which are both wireless. So really nice, slick addition to the factory radio. It keeps the dash looking original, which is a huge plus on a vehicle like this. So overall, the project came out awesome. Really happy with it. It was a fun one to do. If you guys have anything like this, please reach out. We can handle any type of vehicle. I'm also going to post during pictures. You'll see that we had everything in this car wrapped. So we wrapped the center console with protective film, seats, the steering wheel, the door sills. We had paint protection film on the vehicle. So no matter what kind of car you have, we're able to keep it nice and safe. We even have, you can see our nice license plate covers that we built a couple months ago. So no matter what, the car is nice and safe while we're working on it. So again, please reach out, anything you guys need, 610-328-0301. And again, this is Mike from Soundoftristate in Folsom. Thank you guys.